In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek AI for research. It's a tool that's terrifyingly smart, and some say it might even be better than ChatGPT. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First up, head over to Google. This is where our journey begins, as we need to find our way to the DeepSeek AI website. Once you're on Google, type DeepSeek in the search bar and press enter. You should see the DeepSeek website appearing in your search results. Click on it, and this will take you directly to their homepage. Now, once you're on the DeepSeek website, you might find yourself facing a language choice. Be sure to click on English to proceed in the language you're most comfortable with. This will ensure everything is easily understandable as you navigate the tool's features. After selecting the language, look for the Start Now button. It's your gateway to exploring all that DeepSeek has to offer. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the main interface where the magic happens. Now, suppose we're embarking on a research mini-project. Let's say, for example, the topic is how diet influences academic performance. Type this prompt into DeepSeek, asking it to give you mapped key subtopics and debates related to your main theme. Think of this as DeepSeek helping you create a comprehensive outline for your research. Once you've entered your prompt, click Submit. This action will prompt DeepSeek to start processing your request, and in mere moments, it will lay out a detailed framework, enhancing your understanding of the subject matter. Next, DeepSeek is great for search support and paper digestion. You can ask it to generate search queries for each subtopic and to help you summarize these papers. For example, instruct the AI to create queries and offer summaries for each angle related to your research. Again, don't forget to hit the Submit button after typing your request. Once more, give DeepSeek another task by asking it for writing support. Use a prompt such as, "Help critique my own argument and suggest missing angles." This is especially crucial if you're looking to refine your perspective or identify any potential gaps in your arguments. Submit your prompt, and DeepSeek will provide you with constructive feedback and thoughtful suggestions that might enrich and expand your research approach. So there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive walkthrough to harnessing the power of DeepSeek AI for your research needs. Whether it's outlining, searching, summarizing, or refining your arguments, DeepSeek offers a suite of tools that can support and enhance your work. Explore the possibilities it unlocks. And who knows, this AI might just become your go-to research assistant in no time.